Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm going to be walking you through my third altcoin of the day, and that altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you today is a bit of cake, a bit of PancakeSwap. As you can see here guys, we're going to start off on the daily, not going to mess you around here. We've got a symmetrical triangle coming through here on the daily, as you can see from the all-time high for PancakeSwap, sat around $42, $43 coming down from there. It's been pretty progressive in terms of resistance. As you can see guys, we're literally coming up to this trend line from the all-time high from before, so it's a very crucial time here for PancakeSwap, and this is why it's actually claimed my altcoin of the day today guys. As you can see here from this lower side, we've got heavy levels of support with this trend line as well. So if we are going to have any sort of crash for crypto, we know we definitely got a potential bounce point to be thinking about for the future guys. I know that's down at around $13.60, something like that, but yeah, it's definitely a piece of information that we can be using for the future, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to say about that. In terms of a breakout scenario for this symmetrical triangle, we could be looking at some sort of measure move looking like so, top to bottom, most recent uptrend there. It's going to be huge, guys. It's going to be a humongous position here, a mega juicy giga position, around a 70% gain there for cake coming through there. So it's definitely something to be thinking about for the future there, guys. Obviously, we're not going to be going for the 70% just straight up. We're going to be taking profit all the way up, just planning for any sort of reversal coming through there, minimizing losses, guys. Obviously, you know the drill here. The OGs know how we do our things coming through here. Now let's talk about September, because obviously we did set a high coming through at the end of August coming through, and that was sat around $26. From there, it has just kind of been lower high after lower high. Not the best scenario here for cake. I mean, to be honest, I think it happened quite a few times in terms of all crypto, right? September was a really bloody month. Nonetheless, we saw the same thing happen with Bitcoin. So the resistance coming through from this zone is actually really quite strong here, and as you can see, very, very big dumps to the downside, but that's basically formed another trend line, another downward sloping support line from this falling wedge pattern, guys. A falling wedge pattern coming through there. As you can see there, we've got the resistance to the top side and obviously the support to the lower side. Now we're currently testing this very, very crucial level of resistance here. If we can break that to the upside, then it's going to be a lot more congruent for another big move up there. And that's the massive long position that we do want to be going for there. That's going to be the ideal scenario there. If we are looking for if we're looking for any sort of shorter term position here, I mean, to be honest, it is quite ambitious doing it here on the daily, but let's jump down to the 4 hourly and see if we can get some sort of gauge into what we could be sort of going for here, guys. And now, as you can see there, this is obviously a lot different, right? But we've still got a falling wedge pattern, guys. We could still be doing some sort of measure move. The measure move for this in terms of the trade is going to be the lower point to the higher point here. The most recent uptrend is going to be around this sort of zone here. So if there is going to be any sort of long position, it's going to be the scenario where we're actually going to be adding to our position if we get a secondary breakout while we're actually live here. So we wouldn't be getting in really until we can sort of clear this high here. So it's going to be like we're going to get in around here, get around 1.69%, take profit there. That's going to be one of our take profit points there, probably around 10%, something along the lines of that. And then from there, we're going to be adding to our position if we do get a congruent breakout, going for that 70%, as I was just talking about there, for the breakout here on the bigger scale, right? That's what we are ideally going to be going for there. As you guys know, falling wedges here, they usually tend to break to the upside, right? So let's jump down to the shorter term time frame, see if we can get a gauge of what's sort of happening there, because recently, guys, in the last sort of day or so, we have actually seen quite a nice uptrend coming through for cake there. And as I said, we're sat on this major trend line here. We could actually see a breakout to the downside here. If we break out to the downside here, it's not too great. The reasoning for this is, guys, is because it's going to be bringing us down to this $18.88, and yes, that does mean we are going to be finding resistance off this off the top side of the falling wedge on the midterm time frame there. So it's obviously not great because we do want a nice progressive move to the upside, going for that 70% sort of gain there. So yeah, ideally, we don't want to be breaking to the downside here. We actually want to see progression to the upside inside this channel and actually have more momentum. And see, look for that breakout around $21 and around $21.64 there. Let's bring up the WOB machine, see if we can get some congruent moving averages, some congruent volume weighted ATR band. As you can see there, very good resistance. So this is going to be a point to be looking out for on the hourly, around $21.29, if we are going to see any sort of pump here for PancakeSwap. And if we jump to the 4 hourly, what are we looking at here? We're just above, finding support on the 200 EMA, above all major moving averages, in an uptrend, looking pretty progressive. What I would say is the volume weighted ATR, we're miles away from that as well at $23.77. So it's definitely going to be another take profits point to be thinking about if we are going to be entering any sort of long position here on the macro scale. That's going to be sort of it here for your that's going to be it here for your update here on PancakeSwap. But you can see why it's claimed my altcoin today. We're imminent for a potential breakout scenario here, guys. So stay tuned for that. And also, nothing I say is financial advice, just my opinions on what I think might happen in the market. And guys, I do stream every single day, Monday to Friday. So if you want to click the like button, you want to click the subscribe button with the notification bells, you're never going to miss one of my uploads. It's as simple as that. Every single day I stream live Monday to Friday for about an hour, guys. So if I do altcoin requests, it's an altcoin request show as well, guys. So if you've got some altcoins, you want some live TA, that's the place for you. I do have a premium scout package where you get 5 trades per day, 25 trades a week, 100 trades a month, guys, for £19.99. If you want to go check that out, the link is in the description. The website, the link to my website is in the description, guys. But yeah, for now, that is going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.